Welcome to a world where quality meets care. Here, every bar is crafted with precision. Witness the pure art of modern manufacturing. Purity levels are within range.
Efficiency drives the global supply chain, ensuring products reach their destination.
It feels like moisturizing. It's so creamy on my skin. To deeply nourish your skin, our advanced Hydrotech complex works at the cellular level.
Energy use is down 15% this month.
The solar array is performing perfectly.